An important aspect of allyship to me is mentoring. I've had many, but one in particular stands out from early on in my career. Judge A. Leon Higginbotham Jr. was my advisor at Harvard Law School. He had a booming personality and a trailblazing career. He was the 7th African American appointed to the federal bench, the first to serve in the Eastern District of Pennsylvania, and as Chief Judge of the Third Circuit. Judge Higginbotham was also a first-generation lawyer, like me. He took an interest in my success and the time to invest in me. One day, he took me to lunch, I thought to discuss a paper I was writing, but his real message to me that day was that I did belong there at the law school and that I should own that. That was a really important message that I needed to hear. I did not feel like I belonged there for so many reasons. I didn't go to a fancy college or private school. I'm the child of a social worker and a teacher, and I grew up in a working class neighborhood in Brooklyn. I had actually only met 1 or 2 lawyers in my life before going to law school. And even in the Latino Law Students Association, most people didn't recognize me as Puerto Rican, at least not until I invited them for dinner. The judge's message got through to me that day and propelled me to take ownership of my path and do my best work, not just for him, but in all of my classes. I have never forgotten that kindness and the investment he made in me at a pivotal moment in my career. Today, I view my role in the same way. I look for those people who may not feel comfortable. I try to make sure that they know if they are at MoFo, they are here because they belong here. Sometimes people just need to know that they are welcomed, that their views are welcomed, and their participation is expected and valued before they can fully contribute their best work. That is what we want for every person in the MoFo family. That is how we will produce the best results for our clients, and that's why we should take the time to mentor others and be an ally.